If you're looking for a naturally gluten-free, plant-based dish that's filling, nourishing, and high in protein, buckwheat deserves a place in your kitchen. Despite its name, buckwheat is not a grain. It's a nutrient-rich seed packed with plant protein, fiber, and minerals, and it has a delicious, nutty flavor. It's been a staple food for centuries in Eastern Europe and Japan, but it's still surprisingly underused in Western cooking. Today, I'm making a comforting buckwheat porridge with mushrooms and tomato sauce, a simple, wholesome dish that works perfectly as a main meal or a satisfying side. Welcome to Cooking Show at Home! As always, you can find the full list of ingredients and measurements in the description below. If you enjoy simple, healthy recipes made from wholesome ingredients, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps support my work. Let's start. First, rinse 1 cup of buckwheat groats under cold water. Transfer it to a pot, add 2 cups of water and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and bring it to a boil. While we're waiting for it to boil, grate 1 medium carrot using a coarse grater and finely dice 1 medium onion. As soon as the water starts boiling, remove the pot from the heat, cover it with a lid, and wrap it completely with a kitchen towel. Let the buckwheat rest, covered, for at least 15 minutes. During this time, it will absorb all the liquid and become perfectly tender. While the buckwheat is resting, prepare the vegetables. Dice 12 to 15 small button mushrooms and sauté them in a skillet with 5 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat until all the liquid evaporates, about 5 minutes. Add the diced onion and continue cooking. Mince 3 cloves of garlic, and once the onion becomes translucent, add the grated carrot and garlic to the pan. Next, pour in about 1/2 cup of tomato sauce, stir well, and sauté everything together for another 3 to 4 minutes. Add the cooked buckwheat to the skillet and mix until well combined. Season with crushed black pepper and salt to taste, and finish with chopped fresh dill. Fluff the buckwheat porridge gently and serve it hot. This dish works beautifully as a gluten-free, protein-rich vegetarian meal, or as a side dish from meat or fish. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this simple and nourishing buckwheat recipe. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Cooking Show at Home for more healthy, comforting recipes from around the world. See you next time, and happy cooking!